What's up, YouTube? Today we have a GEC. It's a 29 from 2019 Blood Red Jigged Bone. This is one of the first GECs I got a hold of where I was like, damn, like I'm not even going to use this. I think the jigging mostly. Also, the dye job is great. Half stop. Oh yeah, you have to open that first and then open these if you don't want to get blade rub, I think. I believe this is the Stockyard Whittler. It's got a punch, clip main, sheep's foot, secondary. Really great piece. Glad I got a hold of it. Right now it is beginning of May 2022. GECs are like Bitcoin back in the day. Everything's going to the moon, baby. It's so expensive right now. No one knows what to do. Even the good old boys are paying full price. That's when you know it's bad. All right. Well, thanks for joining me to look at this. Not a whole lot to say on this one. It's a home run. Using Ren wax on it, Renaissance wax. But I don't know, it's little things like this is a darker, and then it transitions. Looks like it's gonna, if it kept going, it would turn white out here somewhere. How you can tell this is like someone that knows what they're doing that did this, but it's not a machine. You can tell when a human does it. And this looks really great. I also like how the pull, this one's snappy and it's got a decent pull. Yeah, what a great piece. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe. You know what to do, folks. Tell everyone you know about this channel. Tell them like it's the gospel. This is the gospel of the martialist. And that's it. That's all we got for you today. And stay safe out there. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. That's all she wrote.